Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to connect your smartbird feeder camera to Wi-Fi, but the setup isn't going as expected, don't worry, you're definitely not the only one. Whether it's a brand new camera or one you've recently reset, the connection process only takes a few minutes when it's done in the proper order. Many setup issues happen because the camera isn't in pairing mode, the phone is on the wrong network, or the Wi-Fi signal is too weak during installation. Before placing the feeder outside, it's always a good idea to complete the connection indoors and confirm the camera is online. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps you can follow to connect your smartbird feeder camera to Wi-Fi successfully. 1. Connect your phone to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. 2. Turn on the camera and activate pairing mode. 3. Open the feeder app and select Add Device. 4. Enter your Wi-Fi password and complete the pairing. 5. Move the feeder to its final location after the camera comes online. 6. Check the live video and notifications to confirm the connection.